Hello students, it's Mrs. Cinti here, and I'm here to talk to you about comparing and ordering integers, okay? So you are going to use, you will use a number line to compare magnitudes, meaning sizes, which one's bigger, of integers. Okay, if you want to draw a number line at the top of your paper, that's absolutely fine. Okay, absolutely fine. You can do different increments. That works just as well. Okay, so what you want to think about is the idea of larger than and smaller than, greater than and smaller than. So the concept is, if this is an alligator, right? And this alligator wants to, oops, I got a little close to his head. Here he is. Okay, this is the alligator. An alligator is going to try to eat the thing that the more birds available, right? Here are two birds over here. It's going to turn its face and it's going to eat the greater size. Okay, so that's greater than. And then vice versa. Okay, so if we see a number line here, you know, if you have $5 versus having negative $5, which one's greater, right? That's kind of the idea behind it. So if I am saying compare, put in, right, do this, or the less than, the equals to, or the greater than sign, if I have a -2 and a 5 here, which number is greater? Which one do you have more of? Which one would you prefer to be at the bank? Do you want to have $5 in the bank or -$2 at the bank? Okay, and you always want to be going for, just like the alligator's going for birds, you're going for the more money, right? So, so that's kind of the type of questioning that you're going to have. So the integers farthest on this side, okay, maybe I should circle it in a different color. Integers on this side are definitely greater. The further this way, the greater. The closer, the further this way, the lesser that you have, I guess, is the way. Okay, so smallest over here and largest over here. Okay, I'm not sure that we need to do a lot more than just that right there. It's pretty straightforward. You may be asked to like compare -2, 3, 5, 7, -1, you know, put them in order of largest to greatest, or greatest to smallest, any of those things. So greatest to smallest, you would do 7, 5, 3, -1, -2. And that's the key, is ordering the negative numbers is sometimes very challenging. So let's do one more example of that. Let's say that I'm asking you to put in order from biggest to smallest these numbers. -2, -15, 0, 3, 4, and negative. Okay, so biggest number, what's the one that you want the most of? You want 4, right? So you've done that one. Then 3 is next. Then 0, remarkably, is next. Then which one is closest to the bigger side, right? We said that this was the bigger side. The -2 is closer. So even though the value, the absolute value, 15, is a bigger number than 2, 2 is actually bigger than -10, and then that's bigger than -15, right? So just be careful and make sure. Students often make the mistakes of just forgetting to read which order you're supposed to put it in. Okay, have a great time doing your homework.